Panda Series two-frame function. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And real quick video today because I made a pretty big mistake where I referenced several topics in videos that just didn't exist. So we're kind of going back and gonna go through those, and we'll just break them up and make 3 little teeny tiny videos. So all right, two frame, what in the world is this? So in Pandas there are 2 main types of overarching objects. You have series and data frames. So we're going to quickly go ahead and create a Panda series here, and this is just one way to pass it in. So when you create this and you bring this in, you now have a series named new, and it's going to look like this, and it's just going to take it in and absorb it. But for me, I really like to see these as rows and columns. So we're going to need to first turn this into a data frame, so it's going to be a 2 frame. But really what I want you to do is have the knowledge and the toolbox full of how do we get here to remember. So I want to really show you how you get to here. So first we do dir on our package, and then you're gonna see, okay, wait a second, there's series. So dir, let's see, so I remember there's a 2 frame and we do it on a series. So then I do dir on, and it was series, and then aha, so here's everything we can do, and alphabetical order. So boom, there we go. So literally, because this is really what I want to go over. Oops, underscore frame, and let's change this to help. So now, how do we use this? How does it work? Okay, so I just call 2 frame on my object. So here I am creating my series, then dot notation. So now, okay, so 2 dot or name dot 2 frame. All right. So yes, this looks the same, but as we can see, we now have an index. Next video, we're going to work on rotating this so it's more like columns and rows. But we can do this again and just show. So new type, new, boom, and then we convert. And oh, this is actually very important. Let's where is it? Okay, this is, if you are new to Python, this is very important. So this is not in place, returns a data frame. So when I do this dot 2 underscore frame, this just created this, but now new is still a series. So to correctly do this, you need to reassign it to whatever. So now new and type new is now a data frame. So you need to take your object and assign it to a new object, because if you don't, it will just do this, represent it and output it very quickly, but you have not assigned it to anything. So that's what return means. It's going to create something, and then if you see in place, that means it will replace your object. So real quick video today. I think we have 2 frame, transpose, and I think there's a 3rd one. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.